How to access an object attribute with a dot in its name. I am using a bunch class to transform it to an object. The problem is, I have a key with a dot in its name, test.this''true. So when I call, I have the attribute. But I can't access it. I got an attribute error. How can I access this attribute?
You can use getter. Alternatively, you can get the value from the objects_dict_. Use vars to get spams dict.
Implement _get_item_self, key. Edit. I don't recommend accessing d._dict_ directly from a client of a D instance. Client code like this is trying to reach into the underpants of D and requires knowledge about implementation details of D.
A correct suggestion would be to avoid using dot in the variables. And even if we use somehow, it's better to get it using getter. If we are being stubborn by avoid standards, so this may help. Not provided test.this as the key. You may want to create a nested dict iterating through the keys having dots.
Try spam test.this or spam.get test.this.